You might be trying too hard, but what if stopping is the real secret? When you stop chasing and trying to impress, something surprising can happen. She might start wanting you more without you doing anything extra. It sounds strange, but it works like magic. In this video, I will share signs that show how stepping back can make her more interested. We will go from the simplest signs to the strongest ones, so keep watching till the end. Each sign builds up to the best way to make her want you naturally. If you want to know how to change the game without pressure or stress, this video is for you. I promise, you will see things in a new way. So stay with me and watch closely. And before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss more helpful tips like these. Now, let's get started and find out how stopping can bring her closer. Number 10. The natural pull. The natural pull is the strongest and most powerful sign that stopping trying makes her want you more. This sign means you attract her without effort or pressure. You are confident and calm inside, and this shows in everything you do. When you have the natural pull, you don't force things or try too hard. Instead, your actions, words, and energy naturally draw her closer. This pull happens because people are attracted to honesty and ease. When you are genuine and comfortable with yourself, she senses it right away. She feels safe and wants to be around you. You do not have to impress or prove anything. Your natural way of being creates a strong attraction that is hard to resist. The natural pull grows when you stop chasing and start living your own life fully. You focus on your goals, hobbies, and happiness. This makes you more interesting and confident. Your energy changes and she notices. She wants to be near someone who is free, happy, and not desperate for her attention. This sign also means you accept things as they come. You do not cling or hold on tightly. Instead, you trust that what is meant for you will happen. This calm trust is very attractive. It creates a magnetic effect that makes her want to come closer without you asking. The natural pull is the final stage where attraction flows easily. It shows you do not need to try hard or control the situation. Instead, you let things happen naturally. When she feels this pull, she will want you more because you are real and relaxed. This is the true power of stopping trying. Number 9. The no pressure switch. The no pressure switch is a very strong sign that shows how stopping pressure can make her want you even more. When you stop pushing for answers, quick replies, or constant attention, you create a space where she feels free. This freedom makes her feel comfortable and more willing to connect with you naturally. Many people make the mistake of putting too much pressure on the other person. They want to move fast, get quick responses, or force conversations. This pressure often causes the opposite effect. It can make her pull away or lose interest. When you use the no pressure switch, you change that energy completely. The switch happens when you stop expecting things from her and instead focus on being relaxed. You let conversations flow without needing a response right away. You don't get upset if she does not answer fast or misses a call. This calm attitude helps her feel safe because she is not being rushed or controlled. She will notice this change because it feels different from other experiences. Instead of feeling like she must perform or meet expectations, she feels accepted as she is. This acceptance makes her want to spend more time with you. She will want to engage with you because it feels easy and stress-free. The no pressure switch also shows that you respect her space and time. You do not invade her life or demand too much attention. Respect is very attractive, and when she feels respected, she will be drawn to you naturally. This sign teaches that attraction grows best when there is no force or rush. It builds slowly in an environment of calm and respect. When you flip the switch and stop putting pressure, she will want you even more without you having to chase. Number 8. The want wave. The want wave is a powerful sign that shows how her feelings grow stronger when you stop trying too hard. It means that attraction comes in waves, sometimes strong, sometimes calm, but it keeps rising when you give her space. This wave grows because when you stop pushing or chasing, you allow her to feel desire naturally. When you try too much, it can overwhelm her. It feels like pressure, and desire often fades. But when you pull back, it creates a space where her feelings can build on their own. This space makes her want you more because she does not feel trapped or forced. She experiences attraction like a wave, gently pulling her closer again and again. The want wave happens when you focus on yourself and your life instead of constantly trying to impress her. This makes you more interesting and confident. She notices that you have your own happiness and are not dependent on her. This independence makes her want to be part of your life. You also show that you trust her to come to you in her own time. This trust adds to the wave's power because it shows you are not desperate. When she feels this calm confidence, the wave of wanting you grows stronger. This sign proves that attraction is not about pushing, but about letting feelings rise naturally. The want wave moves back and forth, and when you stop trying hard, it keeps growing in her heart. She will want you more because you give her the freedom to feel and want without any pressure. Number 7. The mystery pull. The mystery pull is a strong sign that shows how not revealing everything about yourself right away makes her more curious and interested. When you stop trying to explain or show all your cards at once, you create an air of mystery. This mystery pulls her in because people naturally want to know more about what they don't fully understand. Trying too hard often means sharing everything too quickly. This can make her lose interest because there is no surprise or challenge left. The mystery pull works because it keeps things exciting and new. When you hold back just a little, she will want to discover more about you. This pull also comes from confidence. When you are comfortable not sharing everything, it shows you trust yourself and the process. It tells her that you do not need to prove anything immediately, which makes you more attractive. Keeping some things private or slow to reveal helps build tension and interest. She starts thinking about you more, wondering what else there is to learn. This curiosity keeps her hooked in a way that chasing never can. The mystery pull is a quiet but powerful sign. It does not need words or effort. It is about presence and silence. By being a little mysterious, you become a puzzle she wants to solve. This pull makes her want you more because you are not easy to figure out or control. Number 6. The let go power. The let go power is a very important sign that shows how releasing control makes attraction stronger. When you stop trying to hold on tightly or control how she feels or what she does, you allow the connection to grow naturally. Letting go is not about giving up. It is about trusting that what should happen will happen. Many people make the mistake of gripping too hard when they want someone badly. This grip creates tension and pressure, which pushes the other person away. But when you have let go power, you loosen that grip and relax your hold on the situation. This power means you stop trying to fix things or force outcomes. Instead, you accept things as they come. This acceptance feels freeing and makes you more attractive because it shows strength and calm. Letting go also means you stop overthinking or worrying about her feelings or actions. You focus on your life, your goals, and your happiness. This focus creates a positive energy that she can feel. She will want to be near someone who is free and confident. The let go power teaches that control is not needed to build attraction. When you let go, you invite her to come closer on her own terms. This freedom makes her want you more because she feels no pressure or need to perform. Number 5. The back-off boost. The back-off boost is a clear sign that pulling away a little can increase her interest in you. Sometimes, when you stop chasing and back off, she starts to notice you more. This boost happens because absence makes the heart grow fonder. When you always try hard or are too available, she might take you for granted. But when you step back, she feels the space you create. This space makes her think about you more and want you again. Backing off does not mean ignoring or being rude. It means giving her room to miss you and remember why she liked you in the first place. This break helps reset the energy between you. It creates a new chance to build attraction from a fresh place. The back-off boost also shows that you respect yourself. You do not depend on constant attention to feel good. This respect is attractive because it shows you have confidence and boundaries. When you use the back-off boost, you give her a chance to see you in a new light. She may start reaching out or showing more interest because you are not pushing. This sign proves that sometimes less effort leads to more desire. Number 4. The calm confidence. Calm confidence is a sign that comes from feeling good about yourself without needing to prove it to others. This calm energy makes you stand out because it shows you are secure inside. When you stop trying hard to get approval, you become naturally attractive. People are drawn to confidence that is quiet, not loud. Calm confidence means you believe in yourself, but do not brag or show off. You do not need to force conversations or attention. You just are, and that is enough. This confidence creates a feeling of safety. She feels she can trust you because you are steady and sure of yourself. It makes her want to be near you because she knows you won't overreact or create drama. Calm confidence also means you handle rejection or challenges with ease. Instead of getting upset or anxious, you stay cool and collected. This attitude shows strength and maturity. When you have calm confidence, you do not chase or beg. You wait and let things unfold. This patience makes her respect and want you more. Number 3. The silent spark. The silent spark is a quiet but powerful sign that shows how subtle actions and presence can create attraction. You do not always need words to make her want you. Sometimes, the way you act without trying too hard speaks louder than anything you say. This spark can come from small gestures, a smile, or just being calm and collected. It is the energy you give off when you are comfortable and relaxed. This energy makes her feel good and interested without pressure. Silent spark means you listen more than you talk. You show interest without being needy. Your calm presence makes her feel noticed and valued. This sign works because it creates a natural connection. She feels your energy and wants to be close, even if you say little. The silent spark is like a soft flame that warms her feelings slowly but surely. You don't have to force this spark. It happens when you stop trying too hard and just be yourself. This quiet power can be stronger than loud words or actions. Number 2. The easy glow. The easy glow is a simple sign that shows how being relaxed and happy makes you more attractive. When you stop stressing or trying too hard, your mood changes. You start to shine naturally. People notice when you are easy to be around. Your smile becomes brighter, your body language is open, and your energy feels positive. This glow makes her want to be near you. The easy glow happens when you focus on what makes you happy. You do not wait for her approval to feel good. This happiness is contagious and draws her in. This sign also means you do not take things too seriously. You laugh, have fun, and enjoy moments without overthinking. This lightness makes you stand out because many people carry tension or neediness. When you have the easy glow, you create a space where attraction can grow naturally. She feels good with you and wants to be around your positive energy. Number 1. The chill magnet. The chill magnet is the first and simplest sign that shows stopping trying can actually make her want you more. When you stop pushing, rushing, or forcing things to happen, you begin to attract attention naturally. This is because people feel comfortable and safe around someone who is calm and relaxed. It is easy to like someone who does not seem needy or desperate. Instead, they come across as steady and easygoing. When you act as the chill magnet, you do not pressure her for attention or approval. You give her space to notice you without feeling pushed. This relaxed attitude makes you stand out from those who chase or try too hard. Many people get nervous and make mistakes when they want something badly. But being calm shows confidence. Even if you do not say much, you show that you are okay without her, and this makes her curious. She wants to know why you do not need her attention all the time. This feeling pulls her closer. When you chill and enjoy your own life, you become magnetic. She sees that you are not just waiting for her. You have your own world, and she might want to be part of it. Being the chill magnet is a strong start to creating real interest. When she feels no pressure, she can relax too. This feeling of ease builds attraction slowly but surely. There is more to attraction than you think. These signs show how stopping can change everything. What will happen when you use them? Try it and see. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay tuned.